he realized that the culture of Basotho people is just being extinct now.
Okay.
So the only way to preserve that culture is to have the place like this. We're going to meet the chief advisor to inform the chief that we are here, so that chief can allow us a permission to enter the courtyard. We've got our traditional beer here. It's made from the plants called the sorghum. Sorghum is one of our African plants. It's easy to grow in our country. Here's our traditional healer, the doctor of the village. Ma'am, put it like this. Blow the bones 3 times for me.
3 times?
Yes, 3 times. Shake it a little bit. Lower your hands towards our mat and draw the bones on the mat. So after you draw the bones on the mat, traditional healer is placing the bones. It's the moment when it's connecting with the spirit of the world, connecting your ancestors and his ancestors together. This is our bedroom for the chief of the village. So gentlemen, can I have one of you? Just have a seat there, please. You're not allowed to use the head, except the chiefs and the kings. Having a victory, singing our traditional song called Mokoroto. This is our grain storage, the grain silo. So we store all our grains such as maize, beans and sorghum. Good people, this is the place for the queen of the village. It's a bottle bloom in Afrikaans. So when she came back, she wore another skirt on top of that one. Now it shows that she's entering the adulthood. She can get married now. So after I get married, we cover the front part. It shows that now she's a married woman. Remember, around this time, you don't have rings. Nowadays, the only ring that can tell the story is that you are married or not. When you wear the second skirt, it shows that you are over 16 years. And the third one, it shows that now you are married. And the girls, normally, they walk around without covering their bodies. But after you get married, we respect your body. You need to cover your hair because you can't just cook for us without covering your hair. So if it's winter, we use the skin head. If it's summer, we use the grass head. And we also have a calabash where we put the tobacco inside, a slave. For the grannies of the village will be taking care of your kids at our kindergarten.